My name is Steve Toland. I am the general manager of Spragues Ready Mix Concrete, and we supply ready mix concrete to commercial jobs, residential jobs, a little bit of everything. This particular room was always getting really cold and really hot. Usually we'd have meetings in here with 6 or 7 or 8 people, and you get all those bodies together. It was really more hot than anything. We had a really hard time being comfortable in here. We went to our friends over at Air-Tro and said, do you have some sort of solution for us? We made the decision to go with the Ductless mini split system as opposed to a traditional system because our current system in the rest of the office, it runs pretty good. We've maintained it pretty well. We can control the temperature in here for the specific meetings. So if you have a meeting with 1 or 2 people, it would be different than, say, a meeting with 8 people. And so it gives us that flexibility so that we can optimize the temperature of the room. To be honest, when it's running, I don't even know it's on during the meeting. That's how good it is. We're quite satisfied with this system, and one of the things that I really love about it is that it installed so easy, it was clean, and we got what we needed quickly.